Welcome to this instructional video on using the new Extrude plugin in the MeshInspector application. This plugin is designed for extruding areas of 3D models, significantly easing the modeling process. Let's get started. First, we'll enable the edge display on our model. This is done to enhance visualization and make the work process more intuitive. Now, let's proceed to use the Extrude plugin. But before we can extrude an area, we need to select it. For this, we use the Face Selector plugin. Let's choose the desired area on the model. In order to do it in the easiest way, we can choose a polygon model mode and specify convex curvature preference. In that case, the selection will be automatically built along the convex angles. To complete the selection, press Enter. The area is selected. Now, we activate the Extrude plugin. Using the left mouse button, drag the selected area in the desired direction. Once you release the button, you'll have the opportunity to further adjust the position of the selected area. Press the Finish Extrusion button to fix the changes and start a new extrusion process. If your task is to extrude the model strictly along the normals of the selected area, simply check the Extrude Along Normals option. In cases where the model is extruded over a considerable distance and you want to improve the quality of triangulation of the new faces, use the Subdivide Long Triangles function. Thank you for paying attention to our instructional video. We hope the Extrude plugin will become a valuable tool in your 3D modeling arsenal in MeshInspector.